So I got this all mounted up, the MAF bar and the AFCO with dual fans, and it's kind of a pain in the ass. So I turned the pump down. This comes with the heat exchanger and it runs out. This is actually the hose I use for the other AFCO, but since the hose has got it's 180 degrees in the wrong way, this hose already had all the bends in it to bring it out here. So I'm actually going to cut these and put a 90 in it here, a brass 90, and then that should be good, out of the way, no kinks. And then the harness, I got the grounds here for the dual fans, and the relays are in here, fuses are run here into the fuse box power. They didn't fit the bolt, so they're sandwiched in there really tight. They're not coming anywhere. So we got that. And the only thing I have left is to run this. I'm probably gonna run it along here into there. And it'll fit in here, so I already have the lead. So I'll get the piece to plug into here. And this is the live switch panel. So this will be for the fans. This is for the pump. That's for the fuel pump, intercooler pump, fans. So I'll just run this here in, out into the engine bay. I'll come out here. I'll run it along into this relay, and then everything else is already wired up. Fans are in there, plugged in, everything's nice and tucked away. Ton of space. So I just got to make sure they blow the right direction, suck in. So hold a piece of paper, they should suck up against this. Hopefully they don't blow out, because that kind of defeats the point. Then I need to figure out what to do with these. I don't know how I'm going to put these where they don't move. This might work, but they might fall out once the bumper's on. So I have to figure out how I'm going to set these. So other than that, it's just waiting for, I need to get that brass fitting, and I need about 8 feet of wire to extend this inside the car. Everything else should be good. I mean, it's a mess, but this harness is meant for a GT500, so there's really not a lot of places to put this. I probably could take this out and bolt everything up inside one day, but as for now, I just want to make sure everything runs. So tomorrow I'll probably get the extra wire and the fitting, get everything run, and then turn the fans on and see what happens. Get everything running, all the air out of it. And then the coilovers on front will be next eventually, except I can't get these off.